Hey guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at how you did on your warm-up part 2, the translation progression, where you have to follow the arrows. What you should have read in the given directions was that you're going to use X for the number, and I'm going to take my mouse and minimize that using the box on the left side. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, and it says take X and double it. So write the translation in the space. Double it means 2 times the value. So when I take X and double it, I'm going to put 2X here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take X and double it. So basically just repeating this first step, but then I'm going to add 5. So to do that, I'm going to take my text box and I'm going to drag it over to the space. And take X and double it, that's 2X, and then add 5. Means that in this text box, you should have a 2X plus 5. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to continue this progression, and on number 3, it says take X and double it, so that's our 2X, add 5, that means our plus 5. So we're taking this right here that we just did, and now we're going to multiply the result by 10. So the way that we show multiplication is by using parentheses. So we're going to use a text box and we're going to drag it over. And in this little spot here, we are going to take the 10 that we're multiplying, we show that with parentheses, and that's where our 2X plus 5 is going to go. The next thing we're going to do in our progression is we're going to take X and double it, then we're going to add 5, multiply by 10, so all the stuff we did in step 3, except now we're going to take all of this and subtract 20. So to do that, let's go grab our text box, bring it over here. We're going to take our 10, multiplied by our 2X plus 5. So take X and double it, add 5, multiply by 10, and now we're going to subtract 20. So we're going to have a minus, let me backspace that, a minus 20 in that spot. And that's what that progression should look like. The next progression is we're going to take X and double it, then add 5, multiply by 10, subtract 20. So we're taking all this right here, and then we're going to divide it by 5. So I'm going to probably try and type this. Let's see how it would look. So we're going to 10 times sign, or the parentheses, 2X plus 5. We're going to subtract 20. And all of that is going to be divided by 5. So what I would do typically, I wonder if it'll let me, is draw a line. Ooh, yeah. And then put my box in. And look at that. It's fancy. There you go. I guess not. That's supposed to be a 5 there. I guess you gotta reacclimate it. Hold on a minute. Okay, bring this over. Put it here. And then there we go. Boom. Okay. So you just saw me mess up, so that's how you fix it. You just go back and you fix it. And what we're going to do is simplify the expression's numerator. What's the new expression? So what we need to do is a little bit of distributive property like we did for the warm-up. We're going to take 10 times 2x, and 10 times 2x is 20x. And 10 times 5 is 50. So let's see if we can do this. So we should have 20x plus 50 minus 20. And all of that is going to be over 5. This is funny. There's probably an easier way to do this, but I don't know how at the moment. Boom. Okay, and then when we simplify this all together, so right here, I'm going to do a little equal sign. What does that turn into? I want to pull this out a little bit. Oops. Pull that out a little bit. So I have 20x. This is 50 minus 20 is positive 30. Oops. Pull that out a little bit more. There we go. And then we're going to put that all over with the 5. Go with what you know. Okay. So, oops. Cool. So we have the 20x plus 30 all over 5. So that's simplifying the expression's numerator. So to do that, again, we distributed first the 10 times the 2x and the 10 times the 5, and then we combined our like terms there. Our very last step is to simplify the fraction into a linear expression with 2 terms. So basically what that means is divide the 5. So 20x divided by 5 is going to give me, hold on, I don't think I grabbed it. There we go. 20x divided by 5 is 4x. And 30 divided by 5 is 6. Boom. And you got it. There it is.